Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Buick Encore. Stock number is A6719. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and front parking sensors. Those will keep you very safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. Chrome wheels wrapped with Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera. And this Encore is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you don't have to worry about sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. You have a touchscreen up here that has your navigation. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Encore on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.